The followers of our blog will be delighted to know that we have with us Shashank in a telephonic interview, the director of numerous serials on small screen and who had a lot to do with adding to the magic of NBT, which kept us glued to the screens. So today we will get to know more about his experience, some behind the scene masala, and let's get to talk to him right now. So hello Shashank, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
वेलकम टू हैपनस्टैंस आवर ब्लॉग। सबसे पहले शशांक हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आप कहाँ से हैं और आप बॉम्बे कैसे पहुँचे?
ओके, हाँ, बेसिकली मैं इंदौर से हूँ
जी।
और बॉम्बे में आया था मेरे भाई से मिलने एंड मुझे एक्चुअली इट वाज अ टीवी इंडस्ट्री को शूटिंग को आई वो देखना था कि हाउ दे वर्क
जी।
एंड हाउ कैन आई गेट इनटू दिस।
अच्छा।
सो द फर्स्ट ट्रिप वाज लाइक दैट टू मीट माय ब्रदर एंड सी
अच्छा।
how they work in the television industry, you know. So I'm lucky that I got to know a few good people, and so I just came in.
केम इन। सो डायरेक्शन वाज़ बेसिकली अ चॉइस।
Yeah, basically the direction was a choice, but I was looking to how to enter in it, how to do it. So luckily I got a few good people initially, so
You could get
I
into
was
it.
on the right path.
You were on the right. So how old were you when you entered into the industry and which was your first project?
My first project as assistant director was there was a show on Star Plus
जी।
called Kabhi Aaye Na Judai.
कभी आए ना जुदाई।
Yeah,
जी। And how
and
old were
after
you?
that, sorry,
How old were you then?
that time I was 20.
20. And after that?
Yeah. After that, I assisted Mr. Ashish Khurana for few seasons in क्योंकि साजनी कभी बहू थी,
जी।
कहानी घर घर की,
अच्छा।
there was a show आरज़ू है तू.
अच्छा। So you were associated with कहानी घर घर की. That was a very very popular show.
Yeah. कहानी घर घर की and क्योंकि साजनी कभी बहू थी.
दोनों में आप associated थे.
Yeah, I was assisting Mr. Ashish Khurana in both the
In
shows.
both the shows. Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I think so. That is a news for all fans.
Mhm.
So I'm sure for a creator, all his work have equal value. But still
Mhm.
कोई ऐसा शो होता है जो आपको ज़्यादा creative satisfaction देता है. तो कौन सा शो है जिसने आपको ऐसा satisfaction दिया?
ना बोले तुम, of course.
ना बोले तुम.
Yeah.
So how was it different from the because आपने क्यूके में भी किया है और सास भी कभी बहू थी में भी किया
Those
है.
shows were also different. This ना बोले तुम is so different. Um,
जी.
that time was also different. No? क्योंकि साजनी बहू थी is what like 8 years back, 7 years back.
Right.
And now the trend has changed, the
जी.
taste has changed. And personally, I like if somebody asks me कि which show do you want to watch, ना बोले तुम or क्योंकि, so definitely
जी.
I will love to watch ना बोले तुम.
You would love to watch ना बोले तुम. That's
Yeah.
really great news for the fans of ना बोले तुम. And how was your experience working with Kunal Karan Kapoor and Akansha Singh and rest of the cast and crew of Na Bole Tum?
Awesome. Kunal, Akansha, both are very good friend of mine, and they're very good actors. Yeah.
Right.
And they both were so much into the character,
जी.
so it was a great experience working with them.
जी. So tell us some behind the screen interesting moments about ना बोले तुम शशांक जो भी आपके दिमाग में कोई बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा हो जो
So many moments is difficult to हम लोग ने एक्चुअली पूरा शूट ही इतना हंसी मजाक में किया, हर सीन से पहले हर सीन के बाद, तो स्पेसिफिक कुछ भी ऐसा दिस टाइम याद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे.
anyway now getting to the next question television is tough the story unfolds each day keeps changing all the time क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि डिमांड के हिसाब के फैन के डिमांड्स के हिसाब से आप चेंज करते रहते हैं सो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इज इट टू रिमेन इन द ग्रूव
एक्चुअली this story changing thing, and it's really very difficult for a director, you have planned something,
राइट
you have designed your shots, your story accordingly, but suddenly one day you got the mail and you have to, the story is changing now. It's very difficult for a director, but ultimately we are making show for audience, so it's part of game.
इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द गेम। तो आपकी सक्सेस जो है ये काफ़ी कम उम्र में ही आई है। Who do you attribute this to? Who's behind this successful director?
Who's behind my success? Blessing of my mother, God.
So your mother is behind the success. She supports you totally.
Yeah, definitely.
So शशांक ये भी बताइए कि आपका what is the dream project you have that you're still waiting for? Would you like to share something which is, yet to unfold?
Films, movies. I'm waiting for the day when I will get the opportunity to do film.
Okay. And we would love to see you there, Shashank, because we really believe in the kind of work you do.
Thank you so much.
हमने अभी प्रोमोज भी देखे मैंने अभी रिसेंटली एक नए सीरियल के विच यू हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन। कैन यू जस्ट टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट?
The new show, yeah, Panch. It's for Channel V.
जी।
And it's actually this show I am shooting for that show, and it's a very different experience. It's about the college ragging and all.
Okay.
So different types of scene, different story, and this is the story of a girl who takes revenge for her sister. But it's a really nice show, and I promise you will like it.
We'll definitely watch it.
Please do watch it. It's a very nice show, and it's shaping up also very well, I hope.
And it is going to be the limited format, or is it going to be a continuous kind of format?
It depends, but abhi for the time being, it's for 6 months. But it's not a daily show; it's bi-weekly show.
And this is again produced by Sunshine?
Yeah, Sunshine only. Seema Sudhir.
Now I'm going to just ask you some quick questions. So if you have to name one person against each of these questions, who would it
Yeah.
be?
Mhm.
So a director's shoe you would like to be in?
The two names: Sanjay Leela Bansali, Himanshu Dhulia,
And a childhood friend that you miss?
Fareed.
Fareed. He's your childhood buddy from school days, or a neighbor
From school days.
from school days? So he's in Indore.
Yeah.
Okay. An actor you dream of directing?
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay. An actress pair that you would love working with?
I love working with Akansha Salam.
Oh, that's great. Everybody is going to be happy hearing that. So, who do you feel is a challenge for you professionally?
Nobody.
Nobody. I'm really happy to hear that answer. And your 3 a.m. friend?
I reach home by 3 a.m., so there's no one 3 a.m. friend.
So, the city never sleeps, the industry never sleeps at night.
Never sleep in Bombay. We work like that. But one thing I want to say, ki if I'm in some trouble or anything, my brother is there in the city, and I trust him completely. If I'm stuck somewhere or I'm in any problem, he's there for me.
He's your elder brother?
Yeah.
And your godfather in the industry?
My godfather, God is my godfather.
That is really brilliant to have that kind of belief. So, Shashank, thank you so much for taking out your time, and have a great day.
Thank you. And one more thing, I've worked with so many producers and production houses in my
Right.
life, but Sunshine and especially Mr. Sudhir Sharma and Seema, both
Yeah.
are the best producers I've worked with in my career.
It was great talking to you, Shashank. Thank you so much for giving us this interview.
Same here, same here. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.